Good morning, everyone. I'm Munchie Mom, and today I'm going to be showing you how I pre-kit. And I'm super excited about this because the reason I'm pre-kitting on a Saturday early in the morning is because we had amazing sales yesterday. So I'll go over what those amazing sales look like, but I'm busy this weekend. And that's just something you're going to need to know when you are vending. This is not passive income. I work early in the mornings, late in the evenings, Monday through Friday, weekends too, sometimes holidays. Like, it's a lot of work. And even if you only had 5 machines, there's going to be times where you're going to need to be able to be flexible to get things done. So with that, let me show you what a good day looked like for me at 23 machines, 24 on Monday, once I fix that machine up. So with these machines, the traditional, I did $799.05 yesterday. Pretty good across 16 machines. But what was a lot better were my ha-has that did $957.42 across 7 machines. So yes, it's true. Ha-has do outperform traditional machines when it comes to revenue. And they're a lot more affordable. My traditional machines cost me $12,000 a piece. My ha-has cost me $4,000 to $8,000 a piece. I definitely see the ROI a lot faster. So, and just something to keep in mind. I'll go more in depth with that because I am a ha-ha distributor. Yeah, I would like you to buy vending machines from me, but you don't have to. You can buy from anyone. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you what kind of equipment I'm using. I'm putting links in the bottom in case you're interested, and hopefully it helps you. I am not sponsored by any of these, but yeah, let's dive into it. So these are my bins. I love these because these are useful, because the ones that you normally get from Sam's or Costco have that big, heavy lid that is annoying to open and close. Love these. And I've already pre-filled these. I fill these up probably 1/3 of the way because drinks are heavy. I sell 4 drinks for every 1 food item. So you're going to see a lot of drinks, not a lot of food. I also use this double-decker cart right here. This is going to be for since I have the Ultras, which are 2 doors. That's going to be all the left side, all the right side. That's how I arrange it. And then I also use these little ones. I get these from Walmart. In case I failed to mention it, this is from Amazon. But these little ones are important too, because like I mentioned, you're going to have a lot of drinks and not a lot of food. So you don't want a whole bunch of empty space. It doesn't help you when you're loading up your van and you want to fit up as many bins as you can. If I only use these, I could only fit 21 bins in my van. Well, if I use these, I can fit 30, so way more drinks. So that's why I use 2 different types, because the bigger you get, you're going to need to maximize your car space. I have a Ford Transit Cargo, and it was big when I got it for me. Now I grew into it, so now I probably need to get something bigger. Maybe a bus. Now let me show you how I'm going to put the food. And then this ends up being only a couple extra pounds. So I try to limit this again to 25 pounds. I don't want to break my back. I don't want to break my employee's back. I don't want to break my dad's back. Keep these light. Don't overdo it. Don't add extra weight because it'll get to you once you're my age. Ooh, old though. Anyway, my shelves are from Sam's. I love Sam's. Sam's has delivery. They have scan and go. They have so many different items. Like, most of these things are from Sam's. So if you're getting started, Sam's is the number 1 place you're going to go to. I want to get Costco girly, but it doesn't have the same amount of items, number 1. And 2, you need to be in and out, all right? We're doing like $500,000 a year. Every day I'm ordering food. This gets empty every single day. So I need somebody who can help me really fast. And that scan and go and the deliveries have been a lifesaver when you're a small business. Back to the shelves. The shelves, these, love them. I buy extra shelves. I think they only have like 5 shelves. I make them 6 or I make them 7, whatever I need. And I only put items that fit there. It makes my life a lot easier. I, of course, measured the heights, and they're a little bit of pain in the butt to set up, but you only have to set them up once. So, and they're strong, they're sturdy. These can handle a lot of weight. I did the math and they're good. There's no way you're going to be over it. You just trust me on this. All right. Don't forget to label everything. It makes your life easier. I put left and I also put the number. So 2 out of 3, 3 out of 3, because especially once you're putting like for 8, 10 machines in there, you want to be able to easily know how many you're going to need, because you're not going to remember. Like, don't make your life hard. So use labels. As you might have noticed, I am here sitting in a chair, enjoying myself, living my best life in luxury. This $10 step stool will save your back. All right. So when I'm filling up bins, I'll grab the bin, I'll put it down, I'll grab the drinks, and I'm just putting it in the machine. Nice and comfy. I'm not bending my back to do it. Like, don't do that. Don't hurt yourself. Live a little, spend the $10, all right? I also use this to fill up the top of the machines. For the ha-has, I don't need it, but for the traditional machines, I do. And then for cleaning the top of the machine, make sure to clean the top of your machine. Don't be dusty. Now, next thing to talk about, cold bags. And get one of these cold bags, and then what I do is I fill them up with plastic bags that I acquire legally through Walmart, through my purchases, and then I put labels on them on where they're going to make my life easier. I also put in an ice pack. Always put an ice pack. I live in Texas. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I use a ladder. I need a ladder for traditional machines because I don't reach the top otherwise. And then finally, my cart. Love this cart. I really want to advertise this cart, all right? Don't use dollies. Don't use ratchet straps. I can keep everything on here. I don't have to have bins everywhere. So let's pretend you're a vending machine. I go up to you. I start filling things up. I might have to bend a little. And then I go put it to the side. Then I open up the next bin. Put things back. If you were smart, you put things in the way that you're going to be putting them in the machine. So I put them in the machine. Then I stack them in here. And little by little, I start getting rid of these bins. And then once I'm just doing drinks, I'm sitting down. I'm putting everything in. I'm nice and relaxed. I'm having the time of my life. And that's it. So highly recommend this cart. It's got these metal things at the bottom to keep everything stable. You don't need ratchet straps. You can stack this. I've stacked this up to 8 high. You're going to have these little stoppers so that you can keep everything all together. I use this sometimes to keep the ha-ha doors open. So that's another reason why I love this. It helps me keep the door just a little extra wider. And then what's another reason I love these? Oh, this, I'm gonna hate showing you this, but this fits perfectly in the car because this goes down so you can fold it completely. And I'm gonna show you that after I take all the bins out. And yeah, so you can keep everything on the cart in one space. It even has a little handle so you can carry it to your car. This thing's awesome. Get this thing. You deserve it. You deserve nice quality equipment that's not going to break your back. Let's see, anything else I love about this cart? I think that's it. But yeah, definitely improvement from dollies and other options. And very easy to push things everywhere. It's great. Super mobile. Treat yourself. Get yourself a good cart. And yeah, let me show you real quick what it looks like closing everything up. Beep, beep, beep. Voila, presto magnifico. Easy to get into the van. Fits everywhere. So yeah, that's it. That's everything. that I have that I plan to show you today. If there's anything else that you would like to see, then keep posting in the comments and I will make sure to make a video about it. It actually really helps me when you tell me what you're looking for, because I hadn't actually planned to make this video. So glad it's something y'all want to see. So take care. I'm Munchie Mom signing off. Give me a like and subscribe or comment or whatever if you want to, because it really helps the channel and let people know what it is we do here. Take care.